Use your fingertips to press down firmly on tight spots for targeted pressure. Frictions work particularly well for addressing tension in the lower back. You can use one hand or assist with the other hand for added effectiveness. To intensify the pressure, utilize your thumbs to apply frictions on the back. Always maintain a flexed position with your fingers while applying pressure to prevent injury. Overextending your fingers can lead to strain and additional stress. To target the lateral back muscles, use your fingertips to pull into the muscle tissue. One of the most effective areas to use frictions is on the trapezius muscles, which often become tense due to prolonged sitting and stress. When you identify a specific spot with significant pressure, such as a trigger point, maintain the same position while applying circular frictions. Remember to apply similar frictions on the corresponding area of the other side of the body where necessary. Due to the intensity of this massage technique, it's essential to regularly check in with the recipient to ensure they can still handle it and are comfortable.